The Cleaning Supply Caddy from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. Determine the desired mounting position to get the correct orientation of the support bracket. Install support bracket with the screws provided. Note: these screws install best with a longer Phillips screwdriver. Place the cleaning caddy into the cabinet in the desired mounting position, making sure you have clearance to pull past the door and hinges. Firmly secure through the metal support rails with the 4 screws provided. Hang the caddy on the support bracket. The acrylic liner is removable and dishwasher safe.